Taskkill is a Windows command prompt command that ends one or more tasks. It's kind of like ending a task with a task manager, but from the command line. So if you're also wondering how you can use it, make sure to keep watching on this video. So for the first method, you can use it for ending a process. To do so, open command prompt with admin rights, type in task list, review the list, and look for the image name of the task you want to end. Once found, type in Taskkill, type in /im, then type in the image name of the program you want to end. Like for an example, if you want to end Notepad, you can write this instead. Then next, you can use it to forcefully end a process. To do it, type in task list, type in regular Taskkill command, like for an example like this, then to forcefully end it, add /f to the end of the command. Now it would look something like this. Lastly, you'd also use it to end all non-responsive programs. To do so, open command prompt with admin rights. Just type in Taskkill again, type in the following, and this specifies that you want to kill all programs that are not responding, then add /f to the end to forcefully end those programs. Those are the different ways on how you can use Taskkill to end processes in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.